Hey DIYers, Dylan here with Alarm Grid. Today we're going to review how to add user codes to the GC Touch panel. So these are going to be codes that can be used to arm and disarm the system. I'll show you how to access that menu there. We'll test the code as well to make sure it works. Okay, so we have, again, our GC Touch panel here, and we're going to go ahead and add a user code. So this is going to be a code that is used to arm and disarm the system. The panel itself can hold up to 64 user codes. So to start, like we start with anything when we enter programming, we want to make sure our panel is disarmed, which it is. So we'll press settings. Now there's two options for accessing this menu. You can enter in your master code, which is the main arm and disarm code, or you can enter the installer code, which is the programming code. I'll show you how it looks for each. So first I'll do the master code, or is it still the default? So it's 1111. You definitely do want to change that, and then enter. And this is our master settings screen. So user management, and then this is where we can go in. We can edit existing ones. We can add new users. Now, if we do that same thing using the installer code, 1561 is the default. A little bit more options. This is our installer page, user management, and then you see we still have, instead of jumping straight into the users list, you get the option to go to manage users, which is that list that we saw earlier, or we can do pin code length, 4 or 6 digits. So that's going to affect any users you program to this. We'll keep it at 4. All right, so say we are in the add new users. As you can see, the master code is already there, 1111. We're going to leave that as is. And if we want to add a user, we'll press the little plus icon, put a name, put a pin, confirm the pin, and submit. Okay, so now we have the new one there. Obviously, it's going to show us the name we put. It's going to show us the code. Bluetooth disarming, we'll have another video on that. But basically, you can set if it's enabled or not. And then here you have the option to edit the code or just delete it entirely. There is also the special users option. We'll have another video on the Duress code as well. But for now, as you can see, it's default program 2580. What a Duress code does is when you arm and disarm the panel, it's going to work as a normal code, but this will send out a secret panic signal to the monitoring station, prompting them to dispatch the authorities. Now, if you do not have a monitoring station, this doesn't really do anything. It only works if you have a monitoring station, so it can send out that signal. If you have alarm.com, it will notify you there, but that's really it. It's just notifying you. Okay, so that is the special users. That's the standard. Let's just test it real quick. So I'll do arm stay. Do silent arming, arm stay. Okay. All right, so system is armed stay. So what we can do is we can press disarm. We'll enter in the code 1, 2, 3, 4. Enter, and it worked. Cool. All right, so that is how you add a user code. Okay, so that is how you add user codes to the GC Touch panel. Showed both the options through the installer menu as well as the master menu. Pretty similar stuff there. Programming the code was very simple, and then we tested it to make sure it's working. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell icon to be notified about any future videos we release. If you had any questions, our phone number is 888-818-7728. Our email address is support@alarmgrid.com. And if you come to our website, www.alarmgrid.com, we have a live chat feature there as well, so feel free to reach out. we'll be happy to assist you. Again, my name is Dylan from Alarm Grid, and thank you for watching.